Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean. Jill has hair and our garage is done. See you inside. Okay, so some of the complaints we had about the garage at the start was lack of storage and lack of light. Obviously you can tell we solved both those problems. So the lighting, we have 12 canister lights, plenty of lights. Have lights under the surfboard, lights under the cabinet, lights behind the TV. We also have lights under for when we just want to come out here and just mess around and not have all these lights on. These lights are very bright. We don't need them on all the time. Just when we're doing videos or working on the car, working on stuff in here. If we just come out here for a couple minutes, we just flip on a small light. Storage was also an issue. So we added these bank of cabinets here. They're very wonderful having that much storage. We also added all those and reinstalled that. Biggest thing we added to the garage, in my opinion, Jill's opinion too, because she was more excited than I was a giant toolbox. Also, we have the small toolbox for when we take items outside and work on our cars outside. That way we don't have to have everything outside with us. We can just have what we need and that's it. Now, this was a lot of work. We insulated the walls, insulated the ceiling, did a lot of work on the garage that most people wouldn't. But again, we wanted to have some place that was nice for us to come out, that was kind of an extension of our house. I can honestly say this is probably one of the nicest rooms in our house altogether. We did a lot of work to it. We put a lot of effort into it. Yes, that right there is ugly as sin. We will end up changing it out. We didn't want to mess around with it. Sometime next year we'll replace that with a newer unit. Again, we didn't want to put a lot of effort into it if we were going to replace it within 6 months to a year. So that's no big deal. Now, some of the things we were wanting to do in the garage is work on realistic renovation refinishing. We've done a few videos in the garage since the garage has been done, and also 151 Garage, which is what's on that board right there. So this video is going to kind of go for both channels. So we're kind of making it relative to both. Now, for 151, we will be working on Susan. So you'll see this eventually. Now that we have a nice place to work and it's air conditioned. This will be a nice place to work, and we can actually come out here and work on Susan or work on the other cars which we plan on getting, and hopefully get her hands dirty. She wants to work on cars. That was one of the things she wanted to do for YouTube during the cancer treatment and stuff like that. So let me give you an update on Jill. Jill, final surgeries are all done. Final two. So she's had 3 surgeries altogether. She just had her last one last Thursday. So when this comes out, probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks from now.
The 24th of September.
Yeah, it was the last one. She is all done, just checkups, cancer-free. Her hair's growing back very nicely, and she's starting to get her strength back and stuff like that. So now I can actually put her to work on Susan, my other girl. Diesel's out here right now. Kaylee's inside. There's a bed for them.
Yep, that they don't need.
Well, Kaylee uses it, but as long as he doesn't steal it from her. So anyways, I'll kind of run you through some of the different things we did for the garage, some of the unique touches that we did. Some of the things I didn't really expect to be that big of a deal, but I tell you what, I would never not have it in my garage. So first of all, as you can see, we have a TV. Very nice having it in the garage. I can watch shows while I'm out here messing around. So some of the things in here, it is 77 degrees right now in here, which is very nice. Even though I'm sweating my ass off because I was outside. Those two are the bullets that from the planes I used to work with. A10 and F16 or F15, same difference though, same thing. What is it? Oh, so that right there, I have to say, I was on the fence about putting that in. I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. So if you want to know what it is, if you don't know what it is electrical cord reel that you reel back up. Very nice. I absolutely glad, 100% glad I put that up. Extra bullet, because the regular handle is just boring and we don't want to be boring. So you can see door. So that surfboard is just an added thing. We threw it up there. We have a couple other surfboards in there. That is not a actual surfboard. It is basically a wall hanger. It used to be from a business, and we just wrapped it and put the name on it. So backlit it, which she didn't want at the time, but while she was at work, I went ahead and backlit it. Absolutely. That's what she gets for leaving me alone. So we did do stuff above and beyond. We did tile the backsplashes on the TV, or behind the TV, and behind the countertop right there. Just the fact that we love that tile, and we want to do that inside the house, and we figured if we screwed it up here, it would be easy to fix rather than inside the house where it would have taken more time. We would have been out of a bathroom or a kitchen when we actually do it. So these countertops, which look black from far away, are actually wood. They're resin over the top of them. So they're fairly thick resin, same as that one. And I love them. I can't wait to do them inside the house. That's what we plan on doing. And it's gonna be an interesting time. Mm-hmm. It's a very timely, time-specific task. Let's put it that way. So it was 12 hours of waiting for every 4 hours. So other than that, some of the other things, we did insulate the garage door, and pretty much it. Painted some of the odds and ends, stuff like that.
You got an AC unit?
Yeah. She keeps pointing out the AC unit. But we'll go through just some footage of the garage and hope you enjoy it. Also, everything we've done inside the garage is on one of the episodes for realistic renovation and refinishing. We'll link all the episodes down below. She'll have fun doing that.
Oh, it's
but oh, it's easy. Anyways, hope you enjoy it. Again, hope you look forward to seeing us work on this, especially Jill. We have some unique things we want to do to this, other than the fact that we gave it a 7.5-inch chop, which really isn't pretty right now, but it will be a lot better. In the process of building the bed for it as well, and some of the other things. We just got to get everything back in here so we can actually work on it. So it'll come up in a episode hopefully fairly soon. It's up to her when she's ready to start welding.
Me weld?
Yeah. Jeez. Anyways, okay. We'll go ahead and cut some of the footage of it. See you guys later. Okay, thank you for joining us again, and sorry it took so long to get the next video out. One of the reasons was because she started surgeries and stuff like that. She is now healthy again. She has nice, wonderful, longer hair. It was bald before, so this is a plus for her. Also, the pandemic kind of slowed things down and basically redoing all the garage. So now that we have this, she's done, and we have everything set so we can actually work on the vehicles in the garage comfortably. We can actually restart some of our videos, including working on Susan. So if you like this kind of stuff, the car stuff, Susan, the truck, and a few other vehicles which we have coming, hopefully middle of next year, you'll probably figure out what that is by me saying the middle of next year. So we do have a Bronco on reserve, and we'll probably be the first person at the dealership because we put in a reservation like 2 hours after it opened up. So hope you enjoy that. We'll be doing some nice stuff to that. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to see pictures of dogs or videos with dogs, we got that too, I guess. They're always out here now that it's nice and cool out here. We always have it. One of them is always out here, one of our two. So we'll see you then. Thank you.